Hi there, it's the 23rd of May, and today we're going to do a Wear OS watch face, I think. I haven't done that before. We will make a new session. Uh, okay, is it here? We should probably put these in the background for now. Yeah, create a directory. So we're going to start Claude, I think. Yeah, probably we should have a bit larger font as well. So so we are going to make a warehouse watch face suitable for the OnePlus watch. Hmm, is it? Yeah, I will ask if we can find out from another project's their history or so. So he didn't find the information, but he did find the well the SDK versions that we should aim for. So it's actually the same canvas size, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, find my project, go HQ tracker or similar name because I want to reuse a feature from that. So I have this watch app I did last year, I think, uh, where I have encoded my home courses, uh, well, the layout and the graphics of the holes, and I want that to be the background of the watch face. So I'm telling it that I want very minimal uh, time showing watch face and not in vicinity of a known hole, but when on a hole, I want the watch face to change to the whole map statically aligned with the T's at the lower end and the whole up. higher end of the face. Static as in no repositioning or scaling. The current GPS position should be marked out and are slowly blinking dot figures to be shown is distance to the center of the green and of course current time of day messages. Yeah, new standalone repository is totally fine. We can start with just hills. Hills is, by the way, my home course. It's in Gothenburg, Sweden. Make it a pure watch face. I assume that will restrict what I'm able to do, but what I really want is it to always be shown and using low battery. So, with what rule decides I'm on a hole? Nearest T to green midpoint within radius, or within bounding box of holes T plus green. Yeah, this is a hard one. Yeah, I'm not really sure. We'll try. We'll try the first one. Uh, that might be hard when there are two adjacent holes, but we'll try that. Yeah, we'll try adaptive GPS reads, depending on if you're on the course or not. We'll try to have a curved along the rim display of time and distance. We'll see what that will look like. I will go with what Claude recommends when it comes to how to render the watch face. So I'm using /plan to actually make a plan to implement this architecture and preferably make it clear where there can be parallel work done. Okay, a very good plan. Right. We're fine with Ultra Plan and Claude Code on web. No, I don't think so. I think that sounds fine. Uh, it seems like it has started to code, but it's still in plan mode. Hmm. I thought it would stop when the plan was done. Hmm. Wait, are you implementing now or still planning? Okay. So I will check how much tokens I have used so far this week. Not so very much. If it had gone up a great deal, I would consider switching to Sonnet for the coding part. While this is showing, I will also check some background projects of mine. And you might recognize it. This is the multi-processor support in the OpenBSD VMM system I'm working on. So it seems it has gone through half the work. Both stage 1 and stage 2 are done, and it's at stage 3 currently. I will also check something that it is doing in my, where is that window? The warehouse detector. Strange. Oh no, there it is. It was just very. Okay, it's done. Uh, I don't have the watch here right now, so I will to install that app a little bit later. It's the strike detector app that I just made a cleanup pass on. Okay, stage 3 is done. It's good. I will pause the recording for just a minute while I go fetch the physical watch. So here I have the physical watch. Need to go in and enable wireless debugging. So wireless debugging is on. I can actually go in and install this cleanup. Yeah, yeah, that looked fine. So the other, well, the main session has reached the on-device verification. So even if the other session is also handling the clock, I will try to do this simultaneously. Okay, the watch face should be installed. Okay, long press. Ah, that's how you do it. I don't find the golf watch face. Maybe I must enter add new. Oh, hmm, I'm not really sure what they mean. Wear OS companion app. I don't know that. Actually, I don't know the icon. Hmm. Yeah, soon I have to go to the golf course, so I can't really wait this out for much more. There has been some problems with installing the watch face. So get into the and okay, we have to stop here. Uh, Maybe I can find some path forward until next time, but it didn't succeed here. Thank you for today, even if it was somewhat wasted time.